Hello and namaste to everyone. Welcome to my channel Explore Places with Dipani. I am Dipali, a mother of 4 years old kid, and my kid love to do many activities. So maybe that's the reason I made this playlist Fun and Learn with Aryan on my channel. So I will share the book reviews, the games reviews. Also I will share phonics related videos on my channel so your child can read and write properly. So, as kids love to do activity with the help of stickers, so I have these dot stickers. With the help of these dot stickers, today's activity is all related to this. So, they love to do this, and it keeps them engaging, and they love to finish it in one time. So let's get started. First page you will see what kids has to do. They have to observe and match the same pattern. I put some stickers to left side, also the same stickers I put to the right side, same pattern also. So kids has to match the same pattern with the help of pen and pencil if they can hold, or if they can't, then let them point out which one is the same pattern. Like here is the pink and green, so they have to point out the pink and green is here also, so they have to match it. Then go to the next page. On next page I made some patterns on left side in different way, you can see here. So, and I gave some numbers to each pattern, like from 1 to 10 I gave number to each pattern. So what kid has to do, you have to give these stickers to them and let them stick it first. Actually my child already done this activity, so he already stick the same pattern, and he already draw the number here, you can see. So you have to give these stickers to them. So let them make this create this pattern and give the proper number, appropriate number to it. Okay, then on next page you will see the match or stick the correct color sticker. So here I also put some stickers with having some patterns like orange, pink, orange, pink, orange. Then what will be the next? So pink will be the next. So kid has to think it and then they have to do it. So these type of activities actually it helps for brain development. So they will observe, they will take the stickers, they will stick it. So it's very easy color coordination, recognition activity for them. Also you will see this is one type of fine motor skills activity. So let's go to the next page. Match or stick the correct color and pattern sticker. So here I made it a little bit level up, like here two stickers of pink color, then green one, then two stickers of orange one, then again green one I stick it here. So what will be the next one? So he has to think, and then he has to find out which one will be the next one. So the pink one will be the next one. Now here this is easy one. This one is also like two stickers of red fluorescent color, two stickers of orange, then two stickers of red fluorescent color, then again I just stick only one sticker of orange, so he has to stick one sticker of orange here. Now next one is little bit critical, so it took time for my kid when he did it. So this one is like I just stick 1 2 3 4 4 stickers of different colors. Then next the first one I stick it here. At this time of second one I will double it, and then again I will stick other stickers as it is. Then I stick the third one, I double it. Then what he has to do the next one, what after the green one, this fluorescent green will be the next one, so it will double, so this one will be its pair. Then next come it is also a little bit critical, I think. Orange, green, fluorescent green, then again orange, green, fluorescent green. Yeah, this is easy actually. but for us it is easy. For kids it's little bit difficult, so they will take time for it. Then go to the next. Here I put some different color stickers here, and I write the number on it. So what they have to do, they have to just if they know counting from 1 to 15 or 1 to 20, so they have to take pencil and they have to go by sequence, like 1 2 3, then 4, then 5. Likewise they have to connect all the dot stickers. I stick some stickers on this page, different colors, and I gave the code to it. Like for fluorescent green I gave E, then orange one I gave H, then green one I gave the code I. So likewise I gave the code, and what kid has to do, he has to write the letter on the same color code. So it's a type of coding decoding activity. Then let's go next. Here it is for direction, like they should know up direction and down direction. So for that I gave the code for up as a pink and down as a green. So he has to take these stickers, and he has to stick to the pink one for up arrow and the green one for down arrow. So go to the next. They have to make the words from this. Same like previous, I gave some color codes to the each sticker, and here I write some words here. So if your child can read the words, then let them give this activity. It's a little bit a nice activity for them, so they will learn to read. So here I just they have to just put this sticker of A and N, then they have to write the name A N. So it will help them to read and write. Then go to the next one. Here I have these ice cream sticks. So what I did, I just put the stickers on it randomly, like same pattern whichever I made here. So what they have to do, kids has to find out which pattern will match to the stick. So this is this will match to this will go here, then this will go here. Likewise they have to find out it, and they have to match the same pattern. Now next, so here they have to match the same color sticker without crossing another sticker. Like my kid already have done it. So he draw the line with this, like this. Then pink one, where is the pink one? So from here he can join the pink one. So he didn't cross any other sticker. Now for green one, you can see like this. For orange one, they can match like this. So for this activity it takes 5 to 10 minutes for them to join the dots, or more than that if they are beginner. So let them give time, so they will join the dots. Same here I done the pattern. My kid have already done it. So simple addition, for addition I just paste the stickers here, so he can count 1 plus 1 equals 2, and he already done it here, you can see. And then on the last page you can see I made some patterns again here, different patterns. So what my kid has to do, he has to take the same stickers and he has to make the same patterns on the left side of the page. So today's activity is all related to dot stickers. I hope you guys will like this video and you will do this for your kid also. So it helps their brain development. It's one kind of brain teaser activity. So they love to play with stickers. It helps their fine motor skills also. So if you guys like my video, then subscribe my channel, and I will upload many more videos on this channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you.